Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the glove on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project and you can find the left bar and tap to the smooth option next to the enhance, and here you can find the third option, the glove. Tap that and you can click to the, for example, the auto option, and just click to the white icon, just pull on the line and you can set the glove of the face. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.